Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna do an update on my project of the year, and that's the year of fixing my finances and loving my stuff. So today, I don't have an exact number for you guys. I'm gonna tell you that it's about, if we were talking in dollars, because I'm talking in pesos and I've explained this before, and I'm gonna get it out of the way. It's about if it were $12,000 less of the amount of money that I owe right now, but that's in pesos, so it's different, it's weird. But I've been making progress on my debt. I could have made more progress if we weren't in the COVID situation, because our loans were freezed, so I don't have to pay them for 3 months, but that doesn't mean that the debt is not there. So as soon as the 3 months go by, I will have to start paying them again. And that's a good thing and a bad thing. A good thing because I'm gonna just lower my debt, but a bad thing because I don't have no money to pay them, since I've been just teaching makeup lessons online and I'm the one that covers the loans in my family. So it's gonna be hard, but I think it's something that's gonna be wonderful to just lower the debt. Now that we got the money out of the way, then we can go into the video and I can talk about my feelings and stuff like that. And I can also tell you guys how I feel about loving my makeup and if I've been wanting to purchase stuff or whatever. So if you want to see how my project of the year is going, then just keep on watching. Okay, so one of the reasons why I wanted to get that out of the way is because last update, and that's why it took me so long to do this update. One person in the comment section below was so stupid and mean, that's the truth. And she was just telling me how to handle my family financially and stuff like that, and talking bad about my husband and how I should handle my relationship financially and stuff. And that's not why I'm here on YouTube. Even though I'm putting myself out there, this is because this is accountability inside of a project. I'm not telling you to tell me how I can manage my finances or how I work and how my family works and how we do things financially. When you get to pay my debt, or when you get to support me financially, then you can tell me exactly what to do and how to handle my relationship. If you're not doing that, then just keep it to yourself. If you're not gonna be nice, then just be quiet. And I think that's something that we should preach more on YouTube and actually put into action. If you're not gonna be kind, just be quiet. That should be my motto. So 99% of my subscribers are amazing. They're always showing love to me. You guys are always so loving. You guys leave the best emojis. You make me laugh. You have made this quarantine a better time for me than what it would have been if I wasn't on YouTube. So you guys have been really awesome. But on the other hand, there are always people that are haters, and haters will hate, and people will feel entitled to know more about you than what you're telling them, and to just judge you according to how they were raised and according to their God sense of themselves, that they feel like they're a God and they know everything and they know how you should do everything, and should. It's always a word. So yeah, so I was just feeling quiet in that sense, and I didn't want to do a project update. But one person is not gonna make me just change my entire project, and I'm happy that I'm doing it, and I'm happy that you guys are keeping me accountable, and I'm happy that you guys are always here in my project plans, because that makes part of my overall project, and that you're always supportive on these videos. So yeah, I've been feeling just that I didn't want to make the update, but I've been keeping up with my finances, having Excel sheets, saving money, putting money not towards my debt per se, but towards my Snowball debt, my loan that I have in Snowball right now. And even though that loan is freezed up as well, you can make payments. So what I've been doing is putting more payments towards the smaller debt that I have, just to kill it before the quarantine is over and the loans start to go back to normal. And that's just something that I've been wanting to do for a while. And I've also been putting money into my emergency fund, and that's something that it's been awesome. I also have a sinking fund that's called the travel fund, and for the first 4 months I didn't put any money towards it, and these past 2 months I've been putting money towards it because I made a goal throughout this year to put a small amount of money. It's not that huge, but a small amount of money towards traveling, because I think it's something that I need to do for myself, and it's money that if I didn't put it there I would spend it in food or other things that are necessities, but that I didn't have to overspend in them. So putting my money aside for that gives it a purpose, and then it's not really taking away from my food because I have the same calorie intake whether I put the money in the travel fund or not. But then I don't use it for fun, like going out or going to the movies, because right now I can't do that anyway. So I've been just building that sinking fund. I've been also putting money aside for my gym, which is the Tune It Up app, and I've been working out a lot during the quarantine, and I've been just doing small shifts in my habits, within my habits. And I have now happy habits. I have a habit tracker in my planner, and I've been just doing things better just for myself and just for my wellness overall, my personal growth. So that has been amazing. I think the quarantine has helped me a lot. I don't see how you can just take everything the wrong way, even though there's a lot of people dying. There's always a lot of people dying, and I think people are not aware of that. And that doesn't take away from what's happening, and that's just effed up, because it is for sure. But we shouldn't be just thinking about now, because we're always just playing it lightly and being unaware that all these awful things are happening, and we just don't give it a second thought unless it's on the TV. So I think it should be a time to reflect on that we should always be kind. We should always pay attention to others. We should always want to go to our parents' home or our friend's house, or just to visit each other and love each other and take care of nature and take care of the environment. It's not a COVID thing. It's a humanity thing that we should be doing all the time. So for me, just taking this as an excuse to just feel bad all the time, it doesn't make any sense. Because if you're aware all the time, you could be sad for many things. And maybe this is the time to just do your best. Do your best, because my best is not gonna be the same best that you're gonna have in your life. But do your best and just try to make the best out of it. And just be kind to more people, call more people on FaceTime. Just take care of the environment. Just pick up your dog's poop and just take your dogs to the park, wear a mask, whatever, but be kind to other people all the time within the quarantine and after the quarantine. And that for me has been something that has been an eye-opener, and that we shouldn't keep making excuses for ourselves just to be nice right now, or feel lousy right now, or take the word depressed lightly as a lot of people are taking it. Because to be honest, if you haven't been depressed, you don't know what depression is. So just feeling sad or anxious because you're not going out, that doesn't mean that you're depressed. So just, in my opinion, I know that this is you guys are not drama queens, but someone will be. I know that a lot of people will not be like what I'm saying, but if you take the time to reflect on it, it may be true for you too, and maybe you will just feel a little bit better or try to be better within this time. And that for me is my goal on my channel. If I speak, I will speak the truth, and the project is to talk about my feelings, and that's how I'm feeling during this quarantine. So I've been working on my finances still, but I've been working on myself, and that has been wonderful. I'm not allowing myself to just be lazy because we're in a quarantine. I've been working and overworking harder than what I've been doing before, because also I need it. I need to reinvent myself. I need to switch my mindset, because all my services are basically in person. So I've been just, how can I say this? I've been just trying so hard to modify my services in order to give them online, and it has been working a little bit, but I'm still getting but I'm still not quite there yet. I'm not quite a technological person, and for me, it's better to do makeup in person than to teach you guys classes online. Even though I give you so much information, I've had the pleasure to connect with one of you guys, one of my subscribers here on YouTube. She took a class with me online, and it's wonderful. A lot of things have been wonderful because I found that I've been connecting more with my clients, more with people. Clients that I do makeup in are missing me and are telling me that as soon as the quarantine is over, they're gonna do their makeup just because, and they're not gonna have an event and they're gonna do their makeup anyway. And that feels good because I feel like I miss them as much as they miss me. And it's something that has been just refreshing. And then the other part of my project is to love my stuff. And I posted recently a few updates of the different projects. I'm sweating, oh my goodness. And I've been doing so good. And I feel that I've been finishing products, even though I haven't been posting empties all the time. I've been finishing products slowly but surely, and I've been finishing products that I've been working on for a long time. When you see my empties, the amount of foundation that I've gone through that were half finished or almost gone, it's insane. And I've been just doing a lot of things differently. I took a makeup class online, a live session sort of makeup class, and it was wonderful. It makes me just refresh knowledge or get new perspective on makeup, which is something that I love. I also, and while doing these courses, I try to get inspired and shop my stash a lot, and that's wonderful as well. I did a shop my stash. I've been doing project pans. I did this palette with my husband, and this is part of the shopping my stash or the Franken palette series, which is that I grab Natasha Denona palettes and just destroy them and create a new palette. But this is beautiful. I haven't used it. I used it today for the first time, but I'm gonna be using it, and this is just a spoiler because you will see it in my next Panda Palette Franken Palette edition or my Franken Palette, new Franken Palette video. And it's been refreshing using my products. My drawer, my everyday makeup drawer, I've been rotating it with the products from the Project Pan. I've been going and doing so well on my Panda palette, the face palette project, and then the other Panda palette project, which is the eyeshadow palette. It's been fun finishing my products, but do I want new products? Yes, I have a list. I have a list of brushes. I have a list of an under eye corrector. I have a huge list of products. If you want to see that in a video, like my wish list, my Sephora card is right now $1,800 or something crazy like that. Of course, I'm not gonna buy it because I don't have the need to buy it. And another thing is that I made a promise to myself that I'm not gonna spend any money during the quarantine on makeup because it's not something that I need. I actually asked my aunt to send me 2 black eyeliners as a gift because my birthday was March 18th. So I asked her, I told her, like, I know I didn't ask for anything for my birthday, but I want 2 Rimmel Scandalized black liners because I have no black liner at the moment. And I've been working through my Urban Decay Glide On pencils. It's what I've been using, and they have been working fine, but I actually prefer a black eyeliner, and I want something affordable, and I want it as a gift. I don't even want to spend $7 or $8. You guys know that I've been into stickers and planning, and I want to get all the collections from the Happy Planner, the stickers, and I haven't done that because I just want this thing to be over to see how I'm gonna do financially. And that shows me that my finances are way more important right now to me than trying to buy new makeup, even though I love makeup, and I don't think that having too much makeup is ever too much makeup because I love makeup and I love studying it. I love trying it. I love just getting to know different formulas. And I do want a lot of things, so I can do a wish list video so that you guys can just either talk me out of it or tell me what you love from that wish list. But I know I'm not gonna be purchasing anything right now. The thing that I know my kids is gonna be purchasing soon, because when we go out of this quarantine, I will need again my brush cleaner, my spot brush cleaner from Cinema Secrets. I will get that, or the one that I get at Beautylish, because that my kid needs it. But I don't need anything actually. I I have all that I need and more, and I've been playing with my makeup, and creating the Franken palettes have been helping me with the wanting of buying new palettes that I've been just craving or just wanting to try. And everything has been good, you guys. I've been sometimes stressed out, but working out every day, and that's one of my goals, to create a habit to go back to working out a lot, has been helping with my mood. I'm on the keto diet, so that helps me with steady mood as well. I've been having sometimes anxious times and craving stuff that I shouldn't be craving. But overall, I've been so calm and so good and so appreciative and grateful for everything that I have. And I've been breathing a different air even when I go and take my 3 dogs for a walk. They make my day when I'm stressed out and I'm thinking about money and how I'm gonna make money after the bank stop with the account or the loan freezing stuff. I've been thinking about how I'm gonna pay, and then I just go outside for a walk with them, play with them, brush them, and everything seems to be fine because I have health. The people that I love and that are closer to me have health. They have food in their tables and they're good. So far, they're good. So yeah, I sent you guys all my love. If someone that you know is sick right now with either COVID or everything and anything else, because I know it's hard, and I can't even put myself in your position because I don't know how I would handle my mom or my dad getting sick at their age. It would be just heartbreaking. I wouldn't want anyone to go through that, and I want everyone to survive this. I want everyone to just be okay. I want this to be over, but I want us to learn from the experience that this has given us, and to have our eyes open when it comes to everything that's surrounding this virus that we're just trying not to see, that are things that we see in the news that they're not a coincidence. People are using this for a lot of bad things as well. So we should just learn from this and use it for the better. So that's it for this video, you guys. I don't know if this is gonna be a long video. I hope not. But I wanted to do a quick update, and I wanted to tell you guys how I felt, and I wanted to let you guys know that thank you for being awesome, and that if you're not gonna be awesome, or if you're not gonna be a good person, or you're gonna leave a mean comment, and the way you put it out there is mean, then I don't want to hear it. If you have advice, people here have been giving me advice for how to handle my finances since I started the Know by Year last year. Books, recommendations, finance experts and stuff. I love that. I see every single comment. I answer to every single comment. But if you're gonna judge me and my relationship with my husband, then those comments are not welcome. You don't know me and you don't know him and you don't know us. So just keep that in mind and try to be kind with everyone. Not with me, with everyone. So that's it, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. And since this was sort of a serious chat on the project update, just leave a serious emoji below. Someone that's just not in a bad mood, but just like in a real mood. So that's it, you guys. I love you, and I guess I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.